Hello everyone, welcome to mechanical.com. In this video, we are going to create this 3D model with the help of its drawing. So let's start with the drawing. First of all, Control 7 and now see its drawing. This is the drawing. Let me tell you the dimensions. All the dimensions are in millimeter. Now see this line. This distance is 66 millimeter and also the thickness is 12 millimeter. See this thickness is 12 millimeter and also this is a chamfer and this is 12 by 12 and also from this point to this point the distance is 42 millimeter. Also this distance is 15 millimeter. See, and also this thickness is 12 millimeter and this total height is 42 millimeter and from this point to this point the distance is 27 millimeter and the radius is 21 millimeter and this total height is 60 millimeter and this thickness is also 12 millimeter. See, so these are the dimensions and now let's start our tutorial. First of all, open a new part file, click OK. Change the system into MMGS system. Now select the top plane and sketch. Draw a center rectangle. Go to Smart Dimension. This length is 66 millimeter and this height is 42 millimeter. Now click OK. Go to Features, Extruded Boss Base. Select here Blind and type 12 millimeter. Click OK. First of all, uncheck the Real View Graphics and select this color. See, this is the default color. Okay, now we want to chamfer the edges. So first of all, select chamfer and select here distance by distance. Type here 12 by 12 or just select symmetric and type 12 and select these two corners. Click OK. See, select the default color and make this as a default appearance. Okay, now select the top face, sketch, draw a corner rectangle from this corner to this line. Go to Smart Dimension. This length is 12. Click OK. Go to Features, Extruded Boss Base. Select here Blind and type 48 mm. Click OK. Zoom to fit. Now we want to fillet. So first of all, select fillet. Select here symmetric and type 21. Now select both the corners and OK. See? Okay. Now again go to extruded boss base and select here front plane. Okay. Now normal and go to line command and draw a triangle. Click OK. First of all, see there is a relation. So right click on this relation and delete. Now go to Smart Dimension and this length is 42 millimeter. Now click OK. Now exit the sketch. Select here mid plane and type 12 millimeter. Click OK. Control 7. See, our part is complete. Now for the appearance, select the whole part and select this edit appearance and select the color you want. I am choosing the red color. See, the whole part is not selected, so just cross and select this one. Press the control key and left click. Select all these. Now go to appearances and select here this red. Now click OK. Also enable the real view graphics. See, this looks shiny. Now our part is complete. Control 7. I hope you liked the video. If you liked, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos.